Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to set password in Chrome on laptop. So without wasting time, let's get started. Open your Chrome browser. Then go to the settings. Then go to the extension. Then go to the Chrome Web Store. Now search for a Chrome lock. Here you will see many extensions to lock Google Chrome. From the list you can use any Chrome lock. But this one is very simple and easy to use. Now you can set your password. That's it. From now on, to open the Chrome browser, you will need a password, because the browser is locked by a password. Now enter your password and use your Chrome browser. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and hit the subscribe button to get more update video.